The Huawei FreeBuds 6 represent Huawei's latest entry in the open-fit wireless earbud market, featuring a dual-driver system designed to enhance audio performance. These earbuds cater to users seeking a comfortable, non-intrusive listening experience while maintaining awareness of their surroundings. This review examines their design, sound quality, battery life, connectivity, and additional features to assess their position in a competitive landscape. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The Huawei FreeBuds 6 feature an open-fit design that sits gently on the outer ear rather than inserting into the ear canal, offering a comfortable alternative to traditional in-ear models. Each earbud weighs a remarkably light 4.9 grams, with the charging case adding just 40.3 grams, making the entire package highly portable while maintaining excellent wearability over extended periods. The construction blends glossy and matte finishes that give the earbuds a sophisticated, high-end look. While the fit remains secure for most daily activities, users engaging in high-movement exercises like running or intense workouts might find them less stable. From personal experience, those with asymmetrical ear anatomy, like myself with a slightly larger right ear canal, may occasionally encounter fit issues during activities like eating, where the right earbud can loosen or fall out while the left remains secure. The inclusion of IP54 dust and splash resistance adds practical durability, protecting against everyday moisture and particulate exposure. Despite minor fit inconsistencies for some users, the overall design execution feels polished and premium, with attention to both aesthetics and ergonomics. The Huawei FreeBuds 6 deliver exceptional audio performance through their innovative dual-driver system, setting them apart in the open-fit earbud category. At the core of this impressive sound quality is an 11mm dual magnet dynamic driver that reproduces mids and lows with remarkable depth, reaching down to an impressive 14 Hz for rich, powerful bass response. Complementing this is an ultra-high frequency planar diaphragm driver that extends clarity up to 48 kHz, capturing subtle details in vocals and instruments that many earbuds miss. These technical capabilities enable the FreeBuds 6 to support high-res audio beyond CD quality, with lossless transmission up to 1.5 megabits per second, a figure that jumps to an exceptional 2.3 megabits per second when paired with Huawei's latest Mate X6 smartphone, offering audiophiles a truly premium, wireless listening experience. The sound signature strikes an excellent balance, with thoughtful tuning that enhances both bass and treble frequencies without overpowering the mids, making these earbuds particularly well-suited for contemporary music genres like pop, hip-hop, and electronic. The open-fit design contributes to a surprisingly expansive soundstage that creates a more natural, speaker-like listening experience compared to traditional in-ear models. However, this design choice does come with some trade-offs. While the audio remains clear and detailed, the bass lacks the physical impact of sealed earbuds, and ambient noise isolation is naturally reduced. For voice calls and communication, Huawei has equipped the FreeBuds 6 with an advanced quad microphone system, comprising 3 traditional microphones plus a bone conduction VPU microphone. This sophisticated setup works in tandem with triple adaptive EQ technology and deep neural network AI-powered noise reduction to deliver crystal-clear call quality. The system intelligently distinguishes between the user's voice and background noise, effectively suppressing environmental sounds while maintaining vocal clarity, whether you're taking calls in a busy office or walking down a noisy street. These features combine to create a remarkably refined audio experience that satisfies both music enthusiasts and professionals who demand excellent call quality. Now, let's put it in test.
Mic test. So this is the microphone test of the Huawei FreeBuds 6. I'm here currently right now in my balcony, and there's so many noises of cars as you can hear it. Maybe you cannot hear it. And there's also some winds and also some background noises. So guys, let me know what you think of the microphone of this Huawei FreeBuds 6.
The Huawei FreeBuds 6 deliver respectable battery performance that keeps pace with most competitors in the open-fit earbud category. On a single charge with active noise cancellation disabled, users can expect approximately 6 hours of continuous playback, a figure that extends to an impressive 36 hours when utilizing the compact charging case. The inclusion of fast charging technology ensures you're never without music for long, delivering 2.5 hours of playback from just a 5-minute charge, while wireless charging support adds an extra layer of convenience for users with compatible charging pads. The battery performance ultimately strikes a practical balance between capacity and the earbuds' lightweight design, making them reliable for most users' daily routines without setting new benchmarks for longevity in the category. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring a stable connection with minimal latency, and dual device pairing allows seamless switching between devices. Touch controls are customizable via the Huawei AI Life app, like volume adjustment, play or pause music, skip tracks, and enable the active noise cancellation, which also offers firmware updates and sound customization. The active noise cancellation is serviceable for reducing low-frequency hum, but less effective against voices or sharp noises. The transparency mode, however, works well for maintaining environmental awareness. Now here is my final verdict. The FreeBuds 6 are best suited for users who prioritize comfort and situational awareness over deep bass and strong noise isolation. They excel in casual listening scenarios, such as office use or outdoor activities where hearing surroundings is important. If you prefer an open-fit design with refined sound quality, these earbuds are a compelling choice. For those seeking stronger ANC or deeper bass, in-ear alternatives may be more suitable. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Huawei FreeBuds 6. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!